ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਊਬਿਕ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੂਟਸ ਕਿਸ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰੂਟਸ ਏਪੀ ਅਰਿਥਮੈਟਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਂ ਜੀਪੀ ਜਿਓਮੈਟ੍ਰਿਕਲੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣ। Now we will discuss with example. So this type is very important for examination. So I will take a question number 1. First question. So the statement of the question is the roots of the equation, the roots of the equation which is given by x cube minus 32 x square x cube minus 12 x square plus 44x minus 48 equal to 0 are in AP. Are in AP. Find them. So my question is find them. So this type is very important, and question of this type is, so it was in GNDU University 2008, okay, and in Punjabi University 2007. Now, how we will solve this kind of equation? Now, as we know that if roots are in AP, it is a cubic equation. So it has 3 roots. If roots are in AP, the roots are of this kind: a minus d, comma, a and a plus d. So these are the root of the cubic equation. So what we get if I take the sum of these 3 roots, then I can find the value of a. If I can find the value of a, then it means I can find one of its root. If I can find one of its root, the remaining I will find out with the help of quadratic equation. So here the important thing is sum of root. Now this is my equation. So what is the sum of root? So first let the roots of this equation, if this is equation number 1, so let given roots are, let its roots are, which are in AP, a minus d, a and a plus d. Now what is sum of root? So this is a 3a. So by beta lemma, what is the sum of root? So this is minus 1 coefficient of x square, which is minus 12, over coefficient of x cube, which is 1. So this is equal to 12. So from this we can find the value of a, so which is equal to 4. So here I find one of the roots. So since it is a quadratic equation, so one of its root are a equal to 4. Now remaining 2 roots we can find from the quadratic equations. So I will use the synthetic method of division. So just write the coefficient of the quadratic equation. Coefficient of x cube 1. So this is minus 12, and second is 44, and last is constant term minus 48. So this, see the method. So this method is written in this way. So this 4 is a root of this equation. So write the root at this place. Now multiply 4 into 1. So this is 4. So I repeat, 4 into 1, this is 4. Then adding, this is a minus 8. Now minus 8 into 4, minus 32. So this is a 12. So 12 into 4, which is a 48. So remainder is 0. So it means the our root is satisfy the given equation because remainder is 0. So remaining quadratic equation is, so this 1 is at this place. So remaining quadratic equation is, so what is the remaining quadratic equation is x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. So this is a coefficient of x square, this is a coefficient of x, this is a constant term. So this can be, we can find the two root from this equation. So this can be written as x minus 2 and x minus 6, which is equal to 0. So root of this equation is 2 and 6. So total root of the given equation is 2, 4 and 6. So A is 4, so 2, 4 and 6. These are the root of the given equation. So in this way we can find the root of any equation if its roots are in AP. Now for next question, the statement of next question is find the condition of a roots. So next is find the condition, find the condition that roots of the equation x cube plus 3 into ax square plus 3bx plus c, which is equal to 0, be in AP, means arithmetic progression. So my aim is to find the condition if its roots are in AP. Now in our question, if I write the given equation as equation number 1, small a, b, c are given in the equation. So we will take a capital A and capital D. Now solution. So what is the given equation? So given equation is, so first write the given equation is, which is equal to x cube plus 3ax square plus 3bx plus c equal to 0. So which is a given equation. Now what is its root? Its roots are in AP. So roots are in AP. So let it be. So let it be, because the roots are in AP. Let it be a minus d comma a minus d comma a plus d. So this is the root of the given equation. Now what is the sum of root? So sum of root is 3a, which is equal to, from this, which is equal to minus 3a over 1. So this means capital A, which is equal to minus A. So what we get, we find the root minus A of the given equations. As we know that any root of this equation satisfy this equation, so it means this minus A satisfy this equation. So it implies minus A satisfy equation number 1. If it satisfy equation number 1, so what we get? We get minus A raised to power 3, this values, plus 3A into minus A raised to power 2 plus 3B into minus A plus C equal to 0, this value. So it implies minus A cube plus 3A square minus 3AB plus C equal to 0. So what we get? We get minus plus 2, this is a cube, sorry. So 2A cube minus 3AB plus C equal to 0. So which is a required condition. So what is the required condition? So it implies 2A cube minus 3AB plus C equal to 0. So which is a required condition. So in this way we can find the required condition of our question. Now if the roots are in GP, so here we handle the question if the roots are in AP. Now the second is if roots are in GP. Now solve equation 2x cube minus 21x square plus 42x minus 16 equal to 0. Now what is given? Given is given roots are in GP. So this is my question. So how we will solve that if the roots are in GP? Solution. So first part is given equation is, which is a 2x cube minus 21x square plus 42x minus 16 equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Now since roots are in GP, so we will take it as let it be, first is A by R into A by R comma AR. So this is. Now if we take the product of this root, so that will give the value of A. So here our requirement is product of the roots. So what is the product of roots? Which is A by R into A into AR. So this is a product of roots. Now by using the formula, so what is the product of root? So this is minus 1 raised to power 3. So what is 3? 3 is the cubic equation power, and then constant term which is minus 16 over coefficient of x cube which is 2. So this will become a 8. So just check that it is a 8, and the left hand side will become a cube. So what is it? Is a 2 raised to power 3. So from this we can get the value of a, which is equal to value of a which is equal to 2. So this is a root of given equation, equation number 1. Now we will find the other two root by solving the quadratic equation. So first write the coefficient of the given equation. So what is the coefficient of the given equation, which is a 2, second is minus 21, and third is 42, and fourth is constant term minus 16. So what is its root? Its root is 2. It is a value of a. Now 2 into 2, which is a 4. Now adding this term, we will get minus 17. This is 2 down at this place. So when we multiply again this, we get 34. So we get 8. 8 into 2, which is a 16. So remainder is 0. So in this way, we find that 2 is the root of the given equation because remainder is 0. So remaining quadratic equation, so one root is find. So remaining quadratic equation, remaining quadratic equation, quadratic equation is 2x square minus 17x plus 8, which is equal to 0. So this is a remaining quadratic equation. So we can find the two root from this equation. So what we get, it implies x is equal to 17 plus minus b square. So what is b square? B square is minus 17 raised to power. So this is a 289, and this is 4ab, 8 into 8, 64 minus 64 over, this is 2 into 2, 4. So what we get? We get 17 plus minus, this value is equal to 15. So 225, so which is a 15 over 4. So it implies x is equal to 32 by 4 and 2 by 4. So this means 1 by 2 its value from this, and what is the second value is 8. So what we get? We get one root is 2, and second is 1 by 2, and third is 8. So roots are 1 by 2, second is 2, and third is 8. So this is a roots are in GP whose common ratio is equal to 4. If you check that, this is a GP series, GP, and whose common ratio is equal to, which is equal to 4. So in this way, we can find the root of the equation if the roots are in GP. Now next is solve the equation. Next question is solve the equation x cube minus 2x square minus 8x plus 64 equal to 0. This is a given equation. Given that, so what is given? So given that it has three distinct roots of equal modulus. Given that it has three distinct, so remember that, distinct roots of equal modulus. So this is a given that it has three distinct roots of equal modulus. So that is a given. Now it means it has three distinct roots of equal modulus. So it means equation number 1 has one real because it has three roots. And if the roots are in complex form, they are in conjugate pair. So it means one root is real and other two are imaginary because they are in conjugate pair. Now equation number this. So first write given equation is x cube minus 2x square minus 8x plus 64 equal to 0. So this is a given equation. Now it has three roots of equal magnitude, equal modulus. So it means equation 1 has one real and two imaginary roots. So one real and two imaginary roots. So what it means? Then it means it has one root is alpha plus iota beta. Second is alpha minus iota beta. And third is say gamma. As per given condition, modulus of this and modulus of this are equal. It implies alpha square plus beta square, which is equal to gamma square. So it satisfies this condition. So it means the third root is a square root of alpha square plus beta square. Now we have three root. One is alpha plus iota beta, second is alpha minus iota beta, and third is square root of alpha square plus beta square. Now first, if I take the product of root, one is sum of root, second is product of root. So if I take the product of root, so this will be alpha plus iota beta, alpha minus iota beta into gamma. So this is a product. So by using the beta lemma, so what we get? We get minus 1 raised to power 3, 64 over 1. So this is equal to minus 64. So from this, it get alpha square plus beta square into gamma. substitute the value of alpha square plus beta square, its value will become gamma cube, which is equal to minus 64. So one of its root is minus 4. So we get a one root which is a minus 4, and this is a root of given equation, the equation number 1, given equation. So remaining two root we will find from the quadratic equation by using the synthetic method of division. So this will be 1 minus 2 coefficient minus 8 and 64 this value, and here the roots are minus 4. So minus 4 into this, which is equal to minus 4. So this will become a minus 6. So this will become a 24. So this is a 16. So this is a minus 64. So remainder is 0. It means minus 4 is the root of that equation. So remaining quadratic equation is, remaining equation is x square minus 6x plus 16 equal to 0. So we will find the two root from this equation by solving this quadratic equation. So x is equal to 6 plus minus 36 over minus 4ab minus 64 over 2. So this can be written as, simplify. So this is a minus 28. So 6 plus minus square root of minus 28 over 2. So this is 6 plus minus 2 square root of 7 iota over 2. So this is equal to 3 plus minus under root 7 iota. So these are the remaining two roots. So roots of the given equation are, roots of the given equation are, 1 is minus 4, second is 3 plus under root 7 iota, 1 is 3 under root 7 iota, second is 3 minus under root 7 iota, and third is minus 4. So these are the three roots of the given equation of equal modulus. If we find, then they have the equal modulus. So this is again very important type. So in this way we can find the equation if the roots are in AP and GP. So this is a equation, cubic equation. So next is again if the roots are in GP. So if roots of equation, if the roots of equation which is equal to x cube plus a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this is R in GP, geometrical progression. If the roots are in GP, then prove that CA cube, then it implies CA cube, which is equal to B cube. CA cube, which is equal to B cube, right? Now, given equation is my first step. What is the given equation? So, given equation is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is equation number 1. Now, because the roots are in GP, so let its roots be, that is a over capital R, AR and A, and third is AR. So, second is A and third is AR. So, this is a root. Now, it roots be this. Now, from to find the root of the equation, we will take the product of roots. So, what is the product of root? So, this is a cube, and what is this? This is a product of root, and what is its value? Product of root minus 1 raised to power 3, constant term c, coefficient of x cube 1. So, this is a minus c. So, this is a minus c. If it is a minus c, this value is minus c, so that is a given part. Then in that case, this is a cube. So, from this we find one of the root a, which is equal to minus c raised to power 1 by 3. So, this is a cube root of unity. So, this value cube root of not unity, cube root of minus 1. So, we get the 3 values. Now, this is a root of this equation. Now, we will substitute the value of root in this equation, this values. So, we will get the condition, we will get the required condition. So, in this way, we can find the condition which is equal to CA cube equal to B squares. So, just substitute in this equation. So, we get the our required conditions. Now, after going to equation of fourth degree, which is a if the roots are in AP and GP. Now, if we have a equation of biquadratic, so biquadratic means biquadratic. So, how we will find the roots if roots are in AP or roots are in GP? So, first question is solve a biquadratic equation x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube minus 21x square plus 22x plus 40 equal to 0, and roots are in AP. So, remember that. So, here the roots are in AP. Same in case of quadratic equation, biquadratic equation. Now, solution. So, first what is the given equation? So, given equation is x raised to power 4 minus 2x raised to power 3 minus 21x raised to power 2 plus 22x plus 40 equal to 0. So this is the equation number 1. Now, in the given parts, roots of equation number 1 are in AP. So this is in AP. Then its root be. So let its roots be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Now here check that the sum of two root is equal to sum of other two. So what we get very easily, if you add this and this, you get the 2a. If you add these two terms, then again you get the 2a. So in the AP series, in the AP sequence, so sum of two roots is equal to sum of other two roots. So sum of two roots is equal to sum of other two roots. So it means if we have four roots of this kind, let alpha, beta, gamma and delta be root of equation 1, then sum of two root alpha plus beta, which is equal to gamma plus delta, suppose it is equal to k. So this is equal to k. Remember that. Now using the sum of root, so what we get, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which is equal to coefficient of x raised to power 3. So that is a minus 2 over constant term, which is equal to 1. So this will become a minus 2. This will become a minus 2. Sum of all roots are, so this is minus 1 into minus 2 over 1. So this is a minus 2. If this is a this is a plus 2, sorry. So from this 2k equal to 2, so k equal to 1, it means k equal to 1. So sum of first two root, sum of two root is 1, and again sum of other two root is again 1. Now we construct a equation whose root are alpha beta. So let quadratic equation, let be equation whose roots are alpha beta. Similarly, construct a equation whose roots are gamma and delta. So we get x square minus sum of root plus product of root. So I am taking it as small p. Similarly, here x square minus sum of root plus product of root, which is equal to q, this values. Now the given equation, what is the given equation? So given equation x 4 minus 2x cube minus 21x square plus 22x plus 40 can be written as its root. One equation is x square minus x plus p, x square minus x plus q. Now simplify this equation. So we get x raised to power 4 and then x raised to power 4, and then if we are taking x raised to power 3, so this into this x raised to power 3, so this is minus x cube. If we multiply this and this, so this is a minus x cube. If we multiply this into this, again minus x cube, so x4, so this will become a minus 2x cube. Now coefficient of x square, which is one is p, second is q, and third is plus 1 into x square. Now next term is coefficient of x, so this is a minus type p plus q into x. So multiply p into x minus p and this q into this, which is minus q, plus product, which is equal to pq, this into this. Now comparing, when we compare to each other, so we get p plus q, this is p plus q minus, and this is equal to coefficient x minus 22, so this will become minus 22, and product p into q, product, so this will be 40. So very simple. Now to find the value of p and q, or also we can use to find the root whose sum is and product is given. If the sum and product is given, the given equation will become quadratic equation in T minus p plus q into T and plus product pq equal to 0. So this will become t square plus 22t plus 40. So this value is 40 equal to 0. Now here find the root. So that root, one is p and second is q, because the root of this equation are, so what is p and q? P and q, these are roots of equation. These are roots of equation t square plus 22t plus 40 equal to 0, right? So this is a root of this equation. So clearly we here write it as t plus 2 and t plus 20 equal to 0. So what we get? We get the value of t minus 2 and minus 20. So one root is minus 2 and second root is minus 20. So one value, take p. So we take p is equal to minus 2 and we take q is equal to minus 20. Now find the root of the quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0, x square minus x minus 20 equal to 0. So find its root and find its root. So this is x plus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and 2. So that is the two root of the given equation. Now here it is x plus 4 into x minus 5. So from this the roots are minus 4 and 5. So root of the given equation is minus 1, 2, minus 4 and 5. So minus 4 and then minus 1 and then 2 and then 5. So these are the roots of the given equation. So these are the roots of the given equation. So in this way, we can find the root of biquadratic if the roots are in AP. If roots are in AP, or in the same way, so in the AP progressions, so the main thing is the sum of two roots is equal to sum of other two roots. So that remember that. After that, the next result is, next question is again very important. Two roots are purely imaginary. Solve the equation. So statement is two roots of the equation equation x raised to power 4 plus 6x raised to power 3 minus 16x square plus 24x minus 80 equal to 0. So two roots are purely imaginary. So two roots are purely imaginary. So solve it completely. Now remember that complex root are always exist in conjugate pair. So this is asked as 2013 GNDU University, Guru Nanak Dev University, 2013. Now solution. So what is the given equation? So x4 plus 6x cube minus 16x square plus 24x minus 80 equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Now given two roots are purely imaginary, so it means if two roots are purely imaginary, so it means let it be one is iota beta, purely imaginary, and second is minus iota beta, because they will exist in conjugate pair. So what is sum of two roots? So what we get, sum of two roots is basically 0. That's all. Now we will find the sum of all roots. So sum of all roots, all 4 roots, which is minus into 6 over 1. So this is a minus 6. It means sum of 2 root is 0 and sum of other 2 root is minus 6. It means sum of other 2 roots is equal to minus 6. So remember that. Now we have 4 root. The sum of 2 root is equal to 0 and sum of the other 2 are minus 6. So take whose sum of 2 root is 0. That equation is x square minus 0x plus p. So what is p? P is a product of root. And other is x square minus into minus 6x plus its product, which is q. So this is equal to 0. Now what is its product? Now again the given equation, basically this is a x square plus 6x plus q, which is equal to 0. Now the given equation, this product can be written as x square plus p into x square plus 6x plus q. So this value will become x raised to power 4. Now cubic term. So cubic term is only with the product of these two terms. So which is 6x cube. And then is x square. So px square from this and qx square. So this is a p plus q into x square, this values. Now after that the next term is x. So what is x? So when we multiply by this into this, so this is a 6px. So when we multiply this by this, so only I get a 6px. Now constant term, which is equal to p into q. So this values. So in this way, when we find x4 plus 6x cube plus p plus q x square plus 6px plus pq, so this is our equation. Now compare it with our equation number 1. So what we get? We get p plus q, this value p plus q, p plus q coefficient of x square, which is equal to minus 16, number 1, and second is 6p, which is coefficient of x, so which is equal to 24. The product pq, which is equal to constant term, which is equal to minus 80. Now from this we can find the value of p and q. So what is p? P is 4. And what is q? That we find from this as well as this equation. So q is equal to minus 20. So this is minus 20. So product that it will give minus 80. So their product, so we will find in this way. Now one quadratic equation is x square plus p, which is 4, equal to 0. And second quadratic equation is x square plus 6x plus q, which is minus 20. This is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to plus minus 2 iota. and from this x is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 and then 4ab. So this is a 80 over 2. So this value can be written as minus 6 plus minus 116 raised square root over 2. Simplify it. So we get minus 3 plus minus square root of 29, because it is minus 6 plus minus 2 raised to square root of 29 by 2. So we get this values. Now the required 4 roots are, so required 4 roots are plus minus 2 iota, plus minus 2 iota, comma minus 3 plus minus square root of 29. So this is a answer. So in this way we can find the root of the biquadratic equation.